Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This is a website that's free to join. All you do is sign up, create a profile, and if you're chosen, they send you a box of goodies. All they ask is that you review them. You can also follow them on their social media sites, and that also gains you some better chances of winning a box. So I will have all the information linked below. First up, we have from Zolli. These are Keto Pops. 0 grams of sugar, no carbs, vegan, gluten-free. They have a whole bunch of different candy options. Occasionally we get those, and they've all been pretty good. So that's awesome. Then we have some shortbread cookies. Maddy's Sweet Shop. Gourmet shortbread cookies. I love shortbread cookies, so I know I will love that. Then we have an energy drink, Boomerang energy drink. Don't believe I've tried this before, but I'm excited for it. Carbonated water, green tea, coffee beans, only 7 grams of added sugar. Very cool. Also have immune strength. This is vitamin D3. And let's see, shake before use, refrigerate after opening. Take about ½ teaspoon once daily. And that does have vitamin D and vitamin K in it. Then we have hand cleanse. This is an alcohol hand mist. And I'm pretty sure I have had that before. And we have some peanuts, home cooked salted Virginia peanuts from Hubb's. Those are good. I've had those before. An acne cover patch, 24 clear patches. Protects acne to help heal and banish blemishes. Very cool. Looks like there's different size patches it comes with as well. You just put it over there and leave it on. Awesome. And this is a lemon lime hydration supplement. You just mix it with water. Got one of those. And then at the bottom there's always a bunch of advertisements, sometimes coupons for the products that were in the box. It looks like there's a lot this time, so let's take a look. We have something from Hubb's. Ooh. They have all different types of peanuts, different sizes. They have peanut brittle, sweet heat, I bet that's good. Ooh, and they have cream chocolates. Yum. Then we have $10 off the hydration. There's a coupon code there. This, I believe, is for the little cookies. 50% off. That was for the vitamin D supplement, I believe. 50% off there as well. Advertisement for their YouTube, 10% discount. Free bag of Zolli Pops. That's awesome. Shows you where you can get it. And then all the candy that they sell. Lots of varieties with that brand. So that is what I got in my box. If you guys would like to sign up, I have all the information in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.